you for the sneakers. Thank you very much.
I never let you take this.
Can I have this? I finished with the hairbrush. Here, thank you.
Ew! My nice shirt. It's
Is
new.
it new? I'm gonna try it. Ew, it's already dirty.
Stop taking my things. I can't deal with you anymore. Where is my diary?
What? What? What is this? Lau? You like him too? You got married? How could you?
Luna, stop!
I cannot believe this.
Luna!
Enjoy this.
You! What have you done? That's it. We're splitting the room. Yes.
Hey, what are you doing?
Now I will have my own space without you. You'll never come into my room again. Oh, they are back. Done. Let's start decorating. Oh.
What are you doing there?
Leave me alone. Let's do this. Perfect.
Wow, how did you do that?
Get out of here. Go to your room.
Why are you doing all that?
You'll see. Now get out of my room. Don't ever come back here. Don't come into my room. I have a date with Chris.
A date with Chris? I'm calling him first.
Chris.
Hi.
Hey, Chris, you wanna come over?
Yeah, I'll be there at 6.
Okay, I'll be waiting for you.
My room's gonna be better. I will know your secret.
La 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 la. Huh? Oh, what is that? Blue eyeshadow? Let's change this.
Sadie!
Oh, the love of my life. He's so cute. What is this noise?
Huh? Am I running out of time? I still have time to finish it.
What is she doing? What is this? What? This is war!
Look who's not allowed in my room.
Is she allowed to do that? I will fix it. Let's find out what she's doing there. She wants a better room, but I won't let her. Aha! She's good. So many stuff. Where did she get them?
Get out of my room! No seawater for you! I'll get you! Huh. No lights for you.
Some peace. What's happening? I can see Luna!
She will never come to my room. Let's decorate it. Let's rock this. That's fresh. Oh. Need some spice. Perfect. This is all for you. I can't believe it's ready!
Let's fix this. That should do it. Hope I didn't waste a lot of time. 2 hours before my date. My room is a mess. Time to throw the trash out.
Last piece. You're gonna regret this.
I'll show you. Not again!
Ew, I need a bath. I have to get rid of it. Very nice cream. Huh? What's the name? Sorry! I need to fix this. I need to remove this. This won't work. Where is it? Oh. I need to fix this. What could help? It's too dangerous. Maybe this. Somebody help me!
Stop being so noisy! Oh, my sketch is ready! Oh my, it's so beautiful!
Perfect. 10 minutes left. Blue to match my personality. And pearls. Aha! Red lips, of course. Chris will love it. Final touch. Oops, he's here.
Just a minute. Ready? Come in.
What's taking them so long?
Hey, Chris.
Hey, Savi. Where's Luna?
Who? She's sick.
Hey, Chris, let's go. Come in.
Where did Savi go?
Oh no! You come to my room.
No, mine.
Mine. Mine.
Girls, chill. Let's have fun together.
Okay.
Wow, really comfortable.
We will be more comfortable in my room.
No, my room.
Girls, don't fight. I brought food.
What?
Yummy, huh?
Sushi? Oh, how dare you!
Would you?
Wait, what?
Don't you ever step in this house again! Best sisters!
Laura! Silly fish face! Why are you so mean? I'm tired of these stupid pranks. I'm going to the human world. I'll go with you. Hi, Nora. I miss you. Wish you were here. Hi, I'm back. Nora! You changed your hair? Yes. Oh! Get out of my way, loser. It's my sister, Laura. Oops. Sorry, Leah. Humans.
Who am I gonna ask today? Who are you?
I'm Laura, duh.
Oh, okay.
I'm bored. Let's have some fun. Huh? Oh. Leah, you have to do something.
Yeah. Yeah, what's he doing?
Oh my god. A frog. That was fun.
You have a test now.
So hard. You can always cheat. Cheat. No, Leah, you have to think.
Leah, can you help me with the test?
Yeah. Are you trying to cheat? Oh.
What? No. What am I gonna do? Leah, how was the test? I'm screwed. Leah, you have to tell her the truth. Leah, we can fix this. Honey. The test, honey. Biology.
What test?
Give me the test, Leah. Honey, it's an A+. Oh my god, good girl. I'm so proud of you. I'm gonna call everybody.
That was close. Thanks, Nora.
Huh? You're welcome. Oh, I'm so proud of her. Wait a minute. An F? Leah! Someone's in trouble. Leah, today's the test. Leah, wake up. Leah, I brought you breakfast. Leah. Laura, can you help me? I thought you'd never ask. Now awake? No. Oh, think as if your life depends on it.
Oh, yes. I got an A+.
Good job. Whatever.
Let's eat. Is that? It's not fish. It's chicken.
Okay.
This is so nice.
Yeah.
Okay, ladies, here's a receipt.
What? That's too much. Okay. Oh my god.
Let's run. Don't worry, Leah. It's on me.
I'm gonna open my own restaurant. I quit. Oh, you have to pay, young ladies.
Okay, let's run. Oh, thank you, Laura.
You're welcome. It's a dream. Come to me. Nora,
Hey, Nora,
again?
wanna go on a date?
Nobody loves me.
Let's go.
I can find Nora. We have to find her.
Not here.
She's not here. You cooked my pet.
Oops. She's not upstairs.
kidding me, right? Let's check outside. Where is she? Have you seen this girl? That's you! Very funny. We have to go, Nora. Nobody loves me. Who are you? I'm your, fairy godmother. I know what you want.
You're the best, Laura!
Laura. Okay, what do I have to do? Just sign here. Oh, okay. Sign. No, don't do it! No! Don't sign this! But everybody will love me. But we love you. You do?
That sillyfish face doesn't love you.
Oh! Only I can call her that.
Not again, stupid mermaids.
Let's go home, girls. Uh-huh. It's time for us to say goodbye.
I have a gift for you.
Thank you.
And for you, Laura.
Whatever.